This blue diamond frying pan 8 skillet is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a diamond-infused ceramic nonstick surface. This makes cooking easy, and food slides right off. Plus, cleanup is a breeze because nothing sticks. The blue color adds a nice touch to your stovetop. This blue diamond frying pan 8 skillet is also very practical. It is PFAS and PFOA-free, so you can cook without worries. It's safe to put in the dishwasher, which saves you time. You can even use it in the oven up to a certain temperature. The pan heats evenly, so your food cooks perfectly. It's metal utensil safe, but using a spatula gently can extend its life. The blue diamond frying pan 8 skillet has a warp control base. This means it won't wobble or change shape over time. It's a durable skillet designed for everyday needs. If you are looking for new frypans, this one is worth considering. Add it to your cart for easier cooking and cleanup. LOLYKITCH might also have other matching items. Pros: non-stick surface, healthy cooking, no harmful chemicals, easy to clean, oven safe, heats evenly, tough against scratches, stays flat, nice blue color, good size. 8-inch cons: non-stick may degrade, can't use high heat, handle might get hot, not ideal for searing. Coating can scratch, may not last forever, hand wash preferred, uneven heating possible. Potential for warping, metal utensil use caution features. Blue Diamond brand 8-inch skillet size, diamond-infused, healthy ceramic, non-stick surface. PFAS free, PFOA free, dishwasher safe, oven safe, even heating. The Blue Diamond 8-inch skillet is a small, blue frying pan with a healthy ceramic non-stick surface that is infused with diamonds, making it extra strong and long-lasting. It heats up quickly and evenly, and food won't easily stick, so you can cook without using a lot of oil. This pan is safe to use with metal utensils and can go in the dishwasher and oven. It's also made without harmful chemicals called PFAS and PFOA and has a special base that helps prevent it from warping. The Blue Diamond 8 inches skillet is a non-stick pan with a pretty blue color that is easy to clean. Because food doesn't stick to it, it's made without harmful chemicals and can go in the oven. The pan heats food evenly and is strong enough to handle metal tools and avoid bending out of shape. However, the non-stick might wear out. You can't use very high heat, and the handle could get hot. It's not the best for making food crispy, and the coating can get scratched. While it might not last forever, washing it by hand is a good idea. Sometimes, the heat might not spread perfectly, and there's a small chance it could warp. So, be careful when using metal tools.